What's up, guys? Welcome to Mike It Yourself in today's Review Wednesday. Um, hey, this is one of those things where you try to make a modification to address one problem and it ends up kind of solving another one. And that is the floorboard extensions we installed to try to help address the heat from the Milwaukee 8 engine. So as I mentioned in previous videos, the initial video where we're trying to address the heat, and then also the air deflector review video. The whole goal of this was try to move our leg away from the engine because that's where the heat's being produced. It's mostly experienced on the right side versus the left. This is where the exhaust is, all that kind of jazz, right? Here's what I'll tell you. As far as addressing or helping with the heat, the extensions, in my opinion, and this is kind of what I felt, again, I don't have scientific evidence or anything crazy like that. I just feel like it didn't make a difference, right? Yes, it did move my foot away, but honestly, that's not where I was feeling the heat. It was more, up towards my knee and inner thigh. So it's a no-go as far as addressing the heat problem. Now, what it did solve for me, and not that it was necessarily a problem, but more of a Benny, right? And that is, it made the ride a little bit more comfortable. I liked having my feet out just a little bit wider instead of being so snug against the bike. And again, depending on your riding style and how you feel comfortable, this may or may not work for you. But for me, I loved it. I love the fact that I can just, again, have my feet kicked out a little bit more. It's not as extreme as the highway peg, right? But it's a little bit further than stock, and it just makes it a little bit more comfortable for me. So that worked out really well. I was concerned a little bit, not on this side because of the brake pedal. That, not that it perfectly lines up, but that brake pad is pretty big, so it covers that foot area relatively easy. But what I was concerned about was whether or not it was going to have any impact on my shifting, because with that left floorboard kicked out, the front toe shifter isn't floating over the board anymore. Now, the way these are stacked, if you can get a good look there, is the forward peg or shifter is on the inside and the rear is on the outside. So I left that as is. I mean, technically you probably flip it, but I'll be honest, it's had zero impact on my shifting. So, if one of your concerns is, I don't want to install that because now I'm not going to be able to, feel comfortable shifting, I don't even notice the difference as far as the shifting goes. So again, it's a win. I appreciate the fact that, they were able to come up with a size that wasn't so dramatic that, it would throw off your shifting or it would feel funky or anything like that. So that worked out perfectly. So like I said, it didn't address the heat issue from the Milwaukee 8, but it definitely made the ride a little bit more comfortable. And if that's of any value to you, then I'd say for the $20 that it costs for the parts, buy them. eBay, look them up. I don't have any particular recommended vendor or anything like that. It's just, I went with that one. I just picked one kind of at random, and it's worked out. The quality is great. Fit was great. Screws were good. So no issues. I hope this video helps you out, helps you make the decision whether or not you want to install these or not. And if it did, great. I really appreciate the fact that I'm able to help some of you out there. If you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up. If you enjoy my content, become a subscriber. We're on our journey to 1,000 subscribers. We're almost halfway there. So I really, really appreciate everybody's support, and I look forward to you becoming a member of our community. If you don't want to miss out on that next video, hit the notification bell. That way you get, a notice that the video has been posted, and it'll show up on your feed. And that way, you won't miss out on the next Mike It Yourself video. Until that next video, I hope to see you in the win.